So I'm recording.
Yeah.
Continue.
Oh yeah. Did you get from the beginning?
No.
Okay. Juan is a bear. Daniel is... What's his name? Oh yeah.
A gorilla slash
giraffe.
giraffe.
Caesar is a duck.
By the way, Caesar, we saw your family at the zoo. Who else did we see? You saw Jasmine.
Jasmine who?
Jasmine.
And?
She was the giraffe. Because it has spots. Because she has freckles.
We
saw Priscilla.
That was Priscilla. Who else do we see?
I saw you. And you saw me.
You're an idiot.
That is so cool.
Remember the people with the picture? And say cheese. We were like...
Tell me how some lady in the House of Reptiles, we didn't even know her, and she started taking a picture of me and Sabrina. That's how famous we are.
Oh, funny.
Just always on the sidekick.
Really?
Wait, that wasn't it. Let me take some water. I will be right back. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ew. Wait, I have a better one. Wait, no, I have a better one than that.
You said.
Wait, I got it. Wait, it's a dance. It's a dance. This way, this way. Oh. Okay, ready?
Mm.
Look, we can do our own guitar hero. Ready? This is red, this is yellow, this is green, and this is orange. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, I'm prepared for the ABCs. What comes after K? Oh. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Alright, let's watch it.
Wasn't that awesome?